Hello there, welcome back. So right here I have a hose for a BMW 328i, and right here these are the this piece right here is the engine coolant hose flange. So I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can get all this part. So what I'm going to do, so it comes with this it comes with a seal, it comes with this clamp. Also this is the hose where it comes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this clamp right here. We're not about to install it, but I just want to show you guys what you can do just to give you an idea. So you can just remove this this clamp right here and install this to the end of the hose. So this would go to the motor, so you don't have to worrying about this plastic gonna leak, crack and leak anymore. So these on Amazon pretty cheap, so I will pin the link in the description. You can get it, and it can fit perfectly fine on the hose. If you put it on the hose, it can fit perfectly fine. But I put it on this end, and there you go. So no more water leak, because what happened, each of these cars that I know of is keep leaking to this plastic piece right here, normally crack. So this one crack. So hope this video help you guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.